Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 24th of February 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, sustained economic expansion and the proliferation of large-scale industrial and commercial projects are expected to drive robust electricity demand growth across the Sultanate of Oman over the 7-year period, which started last year. That is according to projections outlined by the state electricity procurer, as well as Nama Power, and the water procurement company. Peak demand is forecast to rise at an average annual rate of 7.2%. It will increase from 7.5 gigawatts in 2024 to 12.2 gigawatts by 2031. Peru's energy sector is facing a period of heightened regulatory uncertainty just 2 months ahead of the presidential elections. 30% of voters are still undecided. The implementation of Law No. 32249, the framework for electricity supply auctions led by distribution companies, and the development of the ancillary services market are now subject to a political timetable that could redefine priorities between April and July. During a speech to global elites at the World Economic Forum in Davos last month, the U.S. president announced that while China sold windmills to, quote, stupid people that buy them, it did not use wind power itself. China actually added record amounts of both wind and solar power capacity in 2025. And according to some calculations, it may even have reached peak CO2 emissions ahead of its planned trajectory. By recklessly leaving many international climate and energy-related fora, the U.S. is giving up its political influence. In Colombia, offshore wind energy is emerging as a key driver of the energy transition. Along its Caribbean coast, the country has an estimated potential to generate 50 gigawatts. That is equivalent to 2.5 times its total installed electrical capacity. Although no offshore wind projects are operational by 2025, interest and expectations surrounding this new industry have grown rapidly. Wind generation, with some contribution from solar farms, saved more than 1.5 billion euros in gas and carbon costs across the island of Ireland in 2025. The report finds that 13.8 terawatt-hours of wind generation on the island last year displaced more than 1.4 billion euros worth of gas and carbon. Wind and solar cut spending on gas for electricity in Ireland and Northern Ireland by more than 1.1 billion euros in 2025, with another 426 million saved on carbon credits. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.